If you're looking to make cleaning faster and more efficient, a high-quality pressure washer is a must-have. Best for tackling everything from driveways and patios to vehicles and outdoor furniture, these powerful machines deliver a strong jet of water to remove dirt, grime, and mildew with ease. Whether you need a compact model for home use or a heavy-duty washer for larger projects, the best pressure washers combine performance, durability, and convenience to keep your spaces spotless. Starting at number 1, Sunjoe Electric Pressure Power. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 PK1 is a powerful corded electric pressure washer designed for home use. Perfect for cleaning patios, decks, sidewalks, cars, and other outdoor surfaces. Delivering 20-30 psi of pressure and 1.76 GPM water flow, it easily tackles dirt, grime, mold, and mildew. Equipped with 5 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, and dual detergent tanks, it offers versatility for pinpoint jets, wide fan sprays, or soap applications for deeper cleaning. Its durable construction, including a 34-inch stainless and steel lance, solid brass fittings, and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, ensures long-lasting performance. Compact and portable with wheels and manageable size, the SPX 3000 PK1 is a reliable all-around pressure washer that combines cleaning power, flexibility, and ease of use for any outdoor task. Number 2, Westinghouse EPX 3500 Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 is a powerful electric pressure washer delivering up to 2500 psi and 1.76 GPM, making it ideal for cleaning driveways, patios, cars, fences, decks, and home exteriors. Its built-in anti-tipping design with a low center of gravity and 360-degree or swivel wheels ensures stability and easy maneuvering during use. Equipped with a pro-style steel wand, 5 quick connect spray nozzles ranging from pinpoint 0 to wide fan and soap, and an onboard detergent tank, it offers versatile cleaning options for both gentle rinsing and heavy-duty grime removal. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, the EPX 3500 is a convenient and efficient choice for homeowners seeking reliable outdoor cleaning with electric power. Number 3, Westinghouse WPX 3400E Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 is a compact and powerful electric pressure washer, delivering up to 2300 psi, 1900 psi rated, and 1.76 GPM, 1.24 GPM rated, making it ideal for cleaning patios, driveways, fences, cars, and other home exteriors. Its lightweight design at 19 lbs and small footprint make it easy to store and maneuver, while 4 quick lock wheels with 360-degree steering and a low center of gravity provide stability and anti-tipping protection. The washer features a pro-style extendable steel wand, 5 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap, a 25-foot nylon braided hose, and a 20-ounce onboard detergent tank for versatile cleaning. With a pump that automatically stops when the trigger is not engaged, it conserves energy and prolongs pump life, backed by a 3-year limited warranty and nationwide customer support. Number 4, Kärcher K1700 Pressure Washer. The Kärcher K1700 is a compact electric pressure washer designed for light to medium-duty cleaning around the home, making it ideal for cars, patios, driveways, siding, and fences. It delivers 1,700 psi of pressure with a water flow of 1.2 GPM, effectively removing dirt, grime, and surface buildup. The washer comes with 3 quick connect spray nozzles, 15 degrees, turbo, and soap, and an onboard detergent tank for easy soap-based cleaning. Its user-friendly features include a foot-operated on-off switch and an automatic stop-when-trigger-release mechanism, while the portable design with never-flat wheels ensures easy maneuverability and convenient storage. Number 5, Freelander CPX 4000 Pressure Washer. The Freelander CPX 4000 is a portable cordless pressure washer featuring a 4.5-gallon water tank and 4 wheels, making it ideal for mobile cleaning tasks without a fixed water supply. With a maximum pressure of 725 psi, it is perfect for washing cars, bikes, patio furniture, or rinsing outdoor gear, and can even serve as a camping shower. Its compact, lightweight design and one-touch operation, along with a 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle, allow easy switching between gentle rinsing and stronger spray settings. Battery-powered and tank-based, the CPX 4000 offers flexibility and convenience for small outdoor cleaning jobs, though its lower pressure and tank capacity make it less suitable for heavy-duty grime or concrete cleaning.